Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com. Today we're taking a look at Big Cat Rescue. Essentially, this is a virtual tour of the actual physical Big Cat Rescue located in Tampa, Florida. So if you can't actually make it out to the reserve, you can actually take a virtual tour of all the cats and all the, the map and the environment that they have here, with some really interesting backstories into each of the cats that they rescued, etc. So in the main menu, just a really simple thing. You can click on cats, rules, issues, and all. So if I click into cats here, you get a list of all the cats that they have from the Big Cat Rescue, from a ton of inventory, all listed alphabetically. Additionally, you can go through here and see issues. For example, you can see issues dealing with the wildlife orphanage, etc. You can go through and read and see all these stories here, etc. And lastly, you can see the rules of when you're actually at the Big Cat Rescue. You can see they talk about stuff that will help you out in terms of like taking pictures of the wild animals, all of that, and cell phone ringers and all of that while on the tour, so you can kind of get a little bit of the background before you attend. And of course, you can just view all, which is all of the tabs in one. Now, going into the cats tab here, you can see you have a whole bunch of cats, and you have these things at the bottom here. You can scroll through the slideshow individually just by going through the play thing, and it'll take you by one through each cat here. As you can see, you can hit play to access the cat here, and I'll start to read and narrate it.
Born May 1994.
So it has a narration for each of the cat stories. So for example, if I click on here, it'll read all of this here about, in this case, the Alexander hybrid. It tells you the sponsor, it tells you the male, if it's a male or female, it tells you the date of birth of the cat here, and you can go through and read in the story for each individual cat or play it through on the audio narration. That's all the same here. You can go with the stories and flip through and listen to that, as mentioned. You also have the cat map, which is a really awesome interactive map. It shows you where the specific animal at the location in the Big Cat Rescue is. So you can see here it's at 78. So you get this interactive map, and you can also just click around to see what other animals are at specific numbers here. And you can just use this map legend to easily navigate. Really high quality. You can just zoom in here with pinch to zoom. Really, really nice if you're actually at the physical location. You kind of get this virtual map here where you can learn everything, what's there, what's around, so when you're actually there, you can navigate it. You also have Go here, which shows you the map on the Big Cat Rescue on the map here. So you can see here in Florida, you have the actual coordinates of the Big Cat Rescue. You can see how to get there, and you can see the rescue right there, and you can just see it drops a pin for where this is here. And lastly, you have about the BCR, so you have about the Big Cat Rescue and their mission here. You can see what they're all about and all of the information surrounding them. So that's how easy it is to navigate the app. It's, again, a really awesome way to virtually tour the Big Cat Rescue if you can't make it out there physically. Really, really, simple to use app with the easy to use interface, and it's a free educational app. It packs all the information about the cats, etc. So definitely worth checking out. Again, in the App Store for free on the iPhone, Big Cat Rescue.